How you doing? Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I'm going to be going over how to change batteries in your Savis Workshop Lightsaber that you got from Galaxy's Edge. My children got this for me as a gift and it was pretty awesome. However, the batteries went pretty fast on it and I ended up having to replace them. And one thing, I absolutely love this thing. But anyway, so this is basically the label that came on the outside of the packaging. I left that. That's the case, pretty cool case. And it came with they got me a red kyber crystal. And to change the battery, you're going to be looking at this end piece, and that basically unscrews. A little squeaky. And the end comes off. And then this is your basically your battery compartment that you pull out. Now, you got a bunch of screws, but you're really only looking at this screw right here. You can see where that little V divot is. You need a small Phillips head, and you are basically just unscrewing it from here, and that is going to reveal the 3 AAA batteries that are there. These are actually already the replacements, and it does go through batteries quite a bit. And then you simply replace the batteries. You slip this cover back on. You screw that piece down. And then it does have a little notch. So if you just spin it a couple times, you'll feel where it goes right into place. Then you are screwing on your back. And you can tell it is already alive. But there you go. That is how you replace your batteries, your Galaxy's Edge Savi's Workshop Lightsaber. Anyway, hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching. And as always, thank you for subscribing. And that is the inside of my studio. I'll give you a quick tour of the other side. And that's the wood shop area. That's my garage area with lift. And then back into Garage Mahal. Anyway, thanks for watching and subscribing as always. Thank you.